Hi, and welcome to the brand new launch of our online challenge. This is a 30-day online challenge, the Ideal Breakfast Challenge, where you can get started absolutely for free. All you have to do is pay for your nutrition. You're going to spend money on breakfast anyway. This is just a healthy way to do it. And so some of the core products that we include with the Ideal Breakfast Challenge is the aloe concentrate, Formula 1, and this is all plant-based food. It's vegan friendly and there's lots of super tasty flavours. You've got chocolate flavour, vanilla flavour, cafe, latte flavour, there's matcha flavour, there's lots of different flavours that you can choose from. Banana, strawberry, and this is what the ideal breakfast kit looks like. You get tea, aloe juice, and F1. And this is what the tea looks like. It's an instant herbal beverage, and you only need a very small amount on your teaspoon, like maybe a quarter of a teaspoon to half a teaspoon in your cup. And then we have the advanced breakfast kit, where you have the addition of PDM. You can see at the green arrow, this is the PDM. And again, lots of different flavors to choose from. Now, we do also have this brand new product. So I'm going to quickly introduce you to this and then get back into the presentation. VitalComplete has been scientifically designed to support the reduction in waist circumference and abdominal fat. It also supports normal macronutrient metabolism, which is great for your gut health, brain health, and your energy levels. Regardless of where you're at on your own fitness journey, this could be an ideal food supplement. Speak to your coach to order yours today. So it's absolutely free to join the Ideal Breakfast Challenge. This is a 30-day challenge where you can get access to our Facebook group. This is our home study group where we focus on nutrition and wellness. You'll get access to educational videos and all the support that you need. The cost could be anywhere from $266 to $393 per day, depending which nutrition kit you go for, if it's the standard or the advanced, and you've got access to all the educational information inside our home study group. So I look forward to welcoming you to this challenge.